Hi friends, this is Jeremy from Cosmox Group, and you can see, welcome to our factory. You can see our colleagues now is packing the printers before delivery now, and the printers and the stickers too together. And please follow me to have a factory tour today. Welcome. And in this area is where we installation for the 24 inches and the 48 inches printers here. You can see we have the scanners, install the printing table, install the rail. This the main part of to hold the printer stand up, and then we have the housing of them, the door of them to install here. And in that area is where to installation for the A series DTF printers. Have A1, A2, and A3 different printers installed there and there, two places. Okay. So in this area you can see not only for the DTF printers but also for the UV DTF printers too. This new marketing trend from this year actually, for different factions, we can show you later details. And here in the shelf you can see where we're stocking the A series printers here. All of them are already pre-installed but not finished yet. Before shipment we have orders, and we need to take them out, take them off, and do the quality checking there. This is how look. Colleagues will be checking printers, do the faction testing, do the quality check. When everything is okay, everything's good and fine, we will go packing there. Follow me. When everything is good, the faction is good, movement is all okay, we will stock them here. Here is already packed, wrapped, and stocked here. This will be already good for shipping out, good for put them on the boxes. Okay. So you can follow me to see one of our warehouse now in this area. This is our raw material warehouse. You can have a look. So in my right hand and left hand, this very big warehouse to stock raw materials. You can see we have the housing of the printer and stickers. We have the rail for the machines. We have the smaller parts and the big parts we stock here. When we need to install them, we take the parts and do the installation. All over here is the raw material warehousing to keep the parts here, and we install them in our workshop, and we're packing them in the outside of our workshop. This is roughly the whole process of how we produce our printers from the raw material to the finished product. Okay.